following message is being transmitted at the request of the Richmond Police Department and the Virginia Department of Mental Health. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the Tucker Psychiatric Clinic has reported the escape of a patient within the facility. The escaped patient, under the name of Baldi, was last seen outside of the facility, using a broom to strike down the clinic personnel, and may pose a threat to the public. He is a 43-year-old white male, stands at 6 feet 1 inch, weighs 170 pounds, has minimal hair, and was last seen wearing a long-sleeved green shirt and formal blue pants. If you see a man who appears to be Baldi, dial 911 immediately. Do not approach him, doing so may result in serious injury or death. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All cable and broadcast stations shall transmit this message. This is WTVR. We will continue to serve the Richmond area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news for your local area. Please stand by for further updates regarding the situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Virginia State Police and the Virginia Department of Emergency Management. This is an Amber Alert. At approximately 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a boy and a girl were both taken in an abandoned school district in Richmond. These children have been identified as Jessica Baker and Michael Erickson. Jessica is a 12-year-old olive-tan female, standing at 5 feet, weighing 110 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a red t-shirt, black shorts, and pink Converse shoes. Michael is a 13-year-old white male, standing at 5 feet 5 inches, weighing 130 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, blue jeans, red and gray running shoes, and an Atlanta Braves baseball cap. The abductor is currently unknown. If you see the children and/or suspect, dial 911 immediately. Do not confront the suspect. It is unknown what their motives are at this time. Please stay tuned for further updates regarding the situation. This is an administrative message from the Virginia State Police. As of 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the Amber Alert victims, Jessica Baker and Michael Erickson, have been found safe near their homes in Churchill. They have claimed to have been abducted by a tall, bald, middle-aged white male, and other of his accomplices. He is reported to have been chasing his victims through the abandoned school district, while brandishing a yardstick, with the intent to strike the abducted individuals, unless they could successfully complete a series of unsolvable arithmetics. This is believed to be the same man responsible for assaulting the staff of the Tucker Psychiatric Clinic, while escaping from the facility. At this time, Jessica and Michael have safely returned to their homes. However, the abductor and his accomplices are still at large. All citizens in the city of Richmond, or who are receiving this broadcast, should remain vigilant and be prepared to take action at any time. The Amber Alert issued at 3 p.m. has been lifted. All cable and broadcast systems may now resume normal programming.